Hello everyone. In this video we are going to render a background for our game and spawn more fires when player hits the space key. But before everything, let's run our game. Oh, I forgot I changed the fire sprite. I will upload the new one to my GitHub page. Now everything is fine. So first thing to do is to load and render our background in our game. Here's something I made from a sprite sheet. We need to change height and width of game window to 400 × 550. So our background fit the window. Okay, now let's load the background texture. And now draw it on the screen. Now let's run the game. Nice. Now to spawn new game objects, we need to hold them in a list or array. In this case we use vectors. Vectors are simply arrays, with extra steps. Here we can create a vector of sprite 2D, to hold our fire game objects. Now in the main loop, we check for user input, before writing the spawn code. Let's change the movement keys. Okay, now we check if user hits the space key, create an instance of fire and add it to our object list. There is no need to the default fire object anymore. Now we have to draw the fires, in our main loop. Since we used pointers in our code, we need to delete them after the game window closed. To make the Bane movement more real, let's flip the sprite when it moves to left or right. Much better.